Jordan here from YoChicago.com, and I'd like to welcome you back to Bryn Mawr, which is being built by Ryland Homes out in Crystal Lake. I was here about this time last year, and doesn't look like much has happened here. There have been a couple of homes under construction. I've only seen one house that is currently being built. Currently standing towards the back of the development, and as you can see, there's still a few home sites available back here, and doesn't look like much has changed. Now standing at the western edge to Bryn Mawr in Crystal Lake. Got home site 13 still here. Most of the homes here have a side-facing garage. This is one of the few that has a front-facing. And every single house here does have 3-car garages. They are all based on approximately 1/2 acre lots. Gives you a lot more open space in this area. I'm used to seeing homes, 10, 12 feet apart. Not the case here. Doesn't seem like I said, there doesn't seem to be much that has gone on. I've only found one home that is currently being built here. But it looks like they're still trying. The sales center is still open. Currently standing at the entrance, looking out at Illinois 176 here at Bryn Mawr in Crystal Lake. As I pan across 176. We've got the signage here. It says free 3-car garage. What I notice is every home here has 3-car garages. And there's your entrance. Nice little parkway entering into here.